Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure walking around Victory Park in Dallas, Texas. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking a walking tour of Victory Park and see what this place is about. So here we are at American Airlines Center, and here's a statue of Dirk Nowitzki. If you think about the Dallas Mavericks, the one player that you have in mind is Dirk Nowitzki, and here is Nowitzki Way, and let's begin our Victory Park walking tour. So we are at this end of Victory Park. This is the southern part of Victory Park. Victory Park is an urban development surrounding the American Airlines Center. It is kind of like a mixed-use residential office and retail space, and we're about to walk through Victory Park and end up where we started at American Airlines Center. And here is the directory of Victory Park where you can get a clue of what this place is about. Here you can see that we have several restaurants. Here's Victory Park, and we're going to end up at Victory Plaza. And here are some landmarks, restaurants, services, and retail. And here is Victory Park, which leads up to Victory Plaza, right in front of American Airlines Center. And let's begin our tour. Here we have a luxury cinema, Cinepolis, which is a movie theater. And since for those who want to compare Victory Park to other examples, let's use LA Live. So LA Live is kind of like Victory Park. If anyone from the Los Angeles area would understand what I'm talking about. So LA Live is like a urban complex surrounding the Staples Center, now called Crypto.com Arena. Here across the street where we have a ice cream shop here. Call that Gula. And here we have a restaurant. Here we have several restaurants.
Hello?
Here's Mexican Spirit. And here we have valet parking. Nice yellow line Corvette. We're crossing Museum Way. So here's one of the museums that are located here in Victory Park. Here is a Chipotle. So if you want something that is a fast casual experience, here you have a Chipotle, one of the options. And right next to Chipotle is a Starbucks. Here's Jimmy John's, a sandwich shop. Here is dibs on Victory. There's Victory Plaza right there. And what reminds me about this place is that actually reminds me of LA Live. You can see one of the screens. They kind of have like the same look of what LA Lives looked like in California, in Los Angeles, California. So here we have a WeWork space. So we're about to cross Nowitzki Way from Victory Park. And here is PNC Plaza, or Victory Plaza. And what a beautiful mural of Dallas. So we are walking towards the statue of Dirk Nowitzki. So if you're an NBA fan, if there's one player that you can name from the Dallas Mavericks, that one name would be this one, Dirk Nowitzki. One-time NBA champion who swept my Los Angeles Lakers in 2011 to move up and win the championship, beating the Miami Heat in 6 games. And here we are at American Airlines Center. So the American Airlines Center opened in 2001, almost the same year as the Staples Center. I think the Staples Center opened in 1999. And as you can see, really comparing Victory Park and LA Live, they have the same similarities. So we have restaurants on the first level. There's PNC Plaza, the entrance to American Airlines Center. The American Airlines Center is home to the Dallas Mavericks of the NBA and Dallas Stars of the NHL. Such a huge building, huge sports complex here. Here you have the parking over there. And this, from my estimate, is one of those 20,000 people arena. And here's the south view of Victory Plaza. And yeah, so we'll end this walking tour of Victory Park with a beautiful statue of Dirk Nowitzki, one of his famous signature shot. Loyalty never fades away. And yeah, so that's about it from Victory Park. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment and comments below what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I will definitely see you on the next one.